Sandy here with Crazy Eight's Life, and I have another unboxing for you today. I usually do Stitch Fix or some beauty boxes, but this is a new one to me. It is the Wantable box. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cut this box open. My daughter is back here in the room. She wants to watch today, so it's a little bit distracting. Do you want to say hi?
Am I supposed to go over there?
Just say hi.
Hi.
That's Evie. The other kids are all at basketball tonight, so it is just me and Evie. All right, let's go ahead and get this bundle out of here. And that is a lot of clothes. That is a lot of clothes. And it looks like some maybe animal print, which I love. So let's get this box out of the way. All right, so as with the other boxes, there is a return label or return envelope prepaid. So anything that you don't want, you put back in here, put in your mailbox, and they will just ship it back. It's super easy. I've never had any problems, except for sometimes our mailman likes to leave our packages in there for weeks at a time. So that's just a personal problem. Anyways, the first thing we have is some cut from the cloth jeans, which I have always liked this brand. This is one of the first brands I got from Stitch Fix that got me kind of hooked and paying a little extra than what I was doing previously. So the next item is like a blouse here. Kind of like a V-neck blouse. I'm not sure about the material. It's kind of, I don't know, not real soft, but I don't think it would be itchy. The pattern is like kind of a pink, just little geometric pattern. So we'll see. I'm not sure about that. And this is the animal print, which I am a sucker for. Anyway, so this is a very soft, I don't know if that's leopard print, I guess, some kind of animal print. The dots are kind of smaller than most of them, I think. Anyway, super soft, cozy. I do have a sweat, kind of like a sweatshirt, almost exactly like this. So I don't know if that is going to be a go for me. All right, my daughter, you're going to trip over. My daughter and my dog would like to say hi really quick.
Hi. I'm Evie and this is Noelle. Bye.
Okay, so the next thing that we have in this box is, it feels like a cardigan. It is a cardigan. I do not think that this is my style. I'm not sure if those are flowers or it's actually supposed to be kind of like a paisley, if you can see down there. I'm not sure. The comfort of this cardigan, it feels really nice, but I'm not sure that pattern is something that I would wear. But again, we'll see what it's like on. And then we have a sweatshirt that says kale, which I actually kind of like. So there's that. And then we have kind of a longer tunic length sweater, kind of a wide, it's a little bit wide necked sweater, narrow towards the bottom. I don't know if you can see that on there. Anyways, super soft. All right, and the last item that we have is, looks like maybe a mock neck type shirt, which I'm usually also not a fan of. It is kind of like an olive green, which I do like olive green. Let me try to go over a little bit of this real quick. It says, your edit has arrived, your 7 items. Empowering you to be your best you. Take 5 days to try on the 7 pieces in your edit, mix and match your looks, and keep what you love. Check out and review. Buy, exchange, return, and review your items. Using self-checkout, your stylist wants you to feel incredible. So your feedback helps make every edit better than the last. And I know with Stitch Fix you get a discount if you buy all of them. I don't see that here. It says you get a discount for referring a friend. So there'll be a link in the description of this video that will give you a discount on your first box. It'll also give me a discount if I were to get another box. Okay, so I didn't see this earlier, but there is a stylist note and it says, "Hi Candace," and it says, "Welcome back," which means I've had one of these before and I don't remember, but I used to do quite a bit of boxes and then I kind of slowed down. So I'm assuming it's probably been at least 4 years ago. So it says, "Welcome back. I'm excited to style you. After the year we've had, you deserve to look and feel your absolute best. That is why I've added a little extra magic to your edit today to get you through those long winter nights. Thank you for your note. I've included a new pair of high-waisted jeans as well as some fun and cozy tops and sweaters that you can live in all season long. Leopard print looks amazing on you, so I included a fun pullover that you can tuck into high-waisted jeans. Get ready to beat the blues and start 2021 with these fresh, bold pieces to keep you cozy and confident. I had such a lovely time styling you today. I hope you feel as beautiful as you look. Please be sure to leave us feedback. I love to know what's making you feel like your best. Take care. Enjoy, Emma." All right, guys, before I try these on, I did just see this last thing, which has all of the items in it. And it does say that if you keep 5 items or more, then you get 20% off of the entire box. I will also say that I am a bit of a cheapskate when it comes to clothes, and I feel like this total box price would be a stretch for me. So that being said, let's go ahead and try these on. All right, guys, so here we are with the first outfit. First, I'm gonna go over this top. It is the woven 3/4 sleeve printed tie front top in navy. So it ties the front. It does have the little kind of button sleeve up here where it's kind of rolled up. V-neck. It is actually navy with pink kind of geometric shape on it. I don't know if you can see that well. It's actually a decent top. Along with this, I have on the Connie High Rise Fab Ab Ankle Skinny. All right, with this top, I also have on the Connie High Rise Ankle Skinny cut from the cloth jeans. Cut from the cloth is a really good brand of jeans. They're always super comfy. These are skinny, cut at the ankle, and actually they do go right to my ankle, which is crazy because everything's always too long on me, so that's kind of nice. I also like the high rise. So let me know what you guys think, guys. I don't know if you can, see the jeans that well, but there they are. All right, guys, this is the brushed crew neck Leo pullover in ivory. And it is super, super soft. I don't know if you can tell on there, but I don't know what kind of material this is, but it's like a blanket. I mean, but it's real lightweight. It's super comfy feeling. I still have all the same jeans with this. All right, guys, so we have the Kale Willow sweatshirt in navy. And it is just a crew neck sweatshirt. This is Kale. It's super soft and comfortable, and it fits really nice. And I have them all with the same cut from the cloth jeans. So comment below and let me know what you think. All right, here we have the Intermingle Breast Rib Long Dolman Sleeve. That's what I was trying to think of earlier. is like a dolman top. You can see here, it is in black. It's ribbed, it's super soft, comfortable material. I'm going to go ahead and put the cardigan on with this, and then we'll have one last shirt after that. Okay, so here is the same dolman top, but with a cardigan over. This is a paisley print cardigan in black and wine. And I am not sure that this is something that I would wear. It's really comfortable, but I don't see me wearing this pattern around. Don't think it's quite my style. All right, guys, so this is the last item, and it is the brushed cross neck cowl pocket tunic. It is in olive and by Lavapella. So this sweatshirt, or I'm not really sure, this top, whatever it is super comfy. It's got like a pocket, like a kind of a hoodie would have. The cowl neck, I'm not sure I'm a big fan. I'm not usually a big fan of the cowl neck. However, I do like olive green. So we'll see. I think that I like some other tops better, and I most definitely am not keeping the whole box right now because I don't need the whole box. I love these jeans, but I don't need jeans, even though I would love to have a pair of high-waisted. I just don't know if I can justify another pair of jeans right now. So that is all the items. I would love to hear from you what items you liked or didn't like. All right, guys, so that was it for this Wantable unboxing. And my daughter is distracting me, but that's it. That's all I have for today. So I hope to see you next time. Bye.